Good morning. Yeah, I thought that the checkout at that hotel was 11 because that's what the email on the booking confirmation said. So I was just having a chill out, and then after breakfast, then the TV came on. It was about 10 to 10, some sort of like warning. So I had to just pack up and get out really quick. So it's a bit drizzly today. Again, I think it was last Sunday, but the traffic was really busy, and it's been really busy this morning. So I just stopped for second breakfast. Breakfast wasn't much at the hotel. And then today I got options at about just under 90k, 125 and 145. So I'll see how it is, but I'm probably thinking the earlier stop today. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. Maybe I could get a umbrella holder for my bike. There's an umbrella sign on the LCD road sign. It's not promising. Yeah, it's one of those days today. 44k to the first hotel I've got marked off. So I'll ride to that town and then decide. It's not that bad once you're out, but yeah, it's not great. Well, that's Combi. I said it's not that bad, but the stretch from that Combi to this one was range really picked up. The wind, it was not good, and some very on the edge of dangerous gusts. Almost had to like slow down to a stop and go on the cycle path, which was like pretty bad. So yeah, I'm definitely going to stop at the next town. It's not that far. I probably would have just carried on actually, but I needed a pee and I've got some food, so I'll probably look to book. It's probably like 15k, 10-15k, not far. But yeah, not pleasant cycling, and quite a few close passes as well, which is what you don't want when it's like that gusty. But it's okay, don't worry, it's fine. Well, I'm glad that's done. £26.24 for this. My bike is in a sort of like a garagey bit outside, but it looks pretty safe. Alright, get dry and warm. Well, I'm glad that's done. £26.24 for this. My bike is in a sort of like a garagey bit outside, but it looks pretty safe. Alright, get dry and warm. Well, I just looked out the window. Looks like it's stopped raining. This is why I think I should have carried on. No, I'd well had enough. It's meant to be a pizza place around the corner. Well, there is. I saw it on the way in. Not as much else on out there. Well, I'm in the pizza place. And it's a bit strange because you can get like a large is 2,410 yen. And a small is 920 yen, so one and a half price. But a large is 30 centimeters and a small is 20. Obviously, you're going to get more crust on the if you have two small, but it's much better value. So I've got two small 20 centimeter pizzas, free drinks on the drinks bar, and £8 something. We'll see what it's like, and they didn't have an English menu, so I had to guess off the pictures, so don't quite know what I'm getting. Not bad actually. It's my hotel with the rather dramatic skyline behind it.